Woo! Alrighty, guys. Man, it is raining city out there, guys. Yo, I got a phone call this morning asking me about. Y'all remember this car? This the one with the oil leaks. The one that almost ruined my career. The one I possibly could have ruined the engine. The one I did a lot of misspeaking on. Thank you, Mr. Hella Guy. What I say? Exhaust? No. What I say? Something about noises. Uh, oil leak noises or something like that. Yeah, I misspoke a lot on that video. I don't know. I think I was kind of worried. I think I was still worried whether I damaged the engine or not. But I haven't started it since, guys, and I'm not going to start it. I didn't add no oil because I literally wrote up the estimate, and here we are the next day. They said go for it. Now, you know what's weird? Let's talk about this. Here's some part. Simple oil filter adapter housing. Okay, Mopar now makes you're gonna get the O-rings, you're gonna get the intake, upper intake and lower intake gaskets in one bag. It used to be two separate bags, but that's cool. Now they call themselves this thing has been revised. What letter we up to now? AG? Yeah, we're up to AG, guys. So I remember when AC was out. Oh my goodness, this has been through a lot of revision. In some cases, they seem to think there's nothing wrong with the housing. Okay, they seem to think it's just the O-ring. The call I got this morning, service advisor called me on my cell phone this morning. He had the warranty company on the phone. And by the way, this went warranty. Warranty from a standpoint, what aftermarket warranty. In other words, the labor time that I wrote up, you're not getting what I think we wrote up 2.8 or 3 hours. The warranty company only paid 1.8, which is still not bad. Okay, so yeah, sometimes management can. It's just what they pay. That's they have a guideline that they go by as far as what pays. So, like I said, I'm not upset. I still can beat the time. But he asked me. It was on the phone. It was asking me how did I know it was the housing and not the O-rings. So, I had to say something. I took the intake off and I could see the crack in the housing, but we all know. My point is, I'm not quite ready. I think what they was getting at was maybe they can just send me a bag of O-rings and fix this. I'm not quite there yet, guys, as far as, I'm not sold there yet as far as just doing these. I'm sure because on the old one, even when I take this off, the O-ring's probably going to be flat, collapse, and it likely is leaking from there, but I think everybody's paranoid at this point. They know the history on this, and they much rather go in there one time. And besides, the price of this, I don't know what the price of this is. Anybody? What Ruley? Ruley sell parts. Ruley 73. I don't know what these running now. So is it cost economical? Is it cost efficiency to just remove it, go through all the labor? Still the same amount of labor because you still got to take it out. Just to put O-rings on it, is it cost effective to do this? Can you guarantee that this is not cracked? I mean, can you see with the human eye that there's no crack in here? My point is it's kind of risky. Have anybody out there did just the O-ring package? I don't know. I got quite a few mechanic DIY guys in the room. Have anybody out there ever just did the O-rings? Yeah, please leave in a comment. Let me know how it went. I'm sure you have to inspect it. You take it off, you give it a good visual inspection. You determine you don't see no cracks, so you go with the O-rings. Curious, I don't know. Well, anyway, I got to do this for 1.8. Again, it's no big deal. I can beat the time. I'm sure you guys know these are not that bad. So, whoa, look at this, guys. See, somebody done had this intake off. Guys never put this back on. Look, who worked on this thing last? I don't know, but nobody ever. Yeah, it's so easy to re-put back on. Just bend them back in place. From the looks of it, it was bent outward, and they just didn't bother to bend it back up. So I'm sure this intake has been off, so I probably just take the top off and just pick it straight up. Knowing them guys, they didn't put nothing back on. Now, y'all know me, guys. Once I'm done with this, even though this is an insurance job, I mean, I don't really technically have to do this. I don't even have to do it on a customer pay job, but I just do. What I'm talking about is I take pride in my work. After I put this on, I'm gonna go to the detail department, steam clean it, get under there and steam clean it. Y'all saw all that oil leak in the previous video. I hope y'all watched that video. Watch that video. I should have caught it in the very beginning, but yeah, I'm gonna steam clean the engine, make sure it doesn't look like it's leaking again. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do it like that. Now I'm gonna wrap this up. I'll see y'all. Maybe I may see y'all at the detail department. It depends. It's raining out there, so who knows how the weather stack up. But yeah, I'm gonna clean all this up, guys. All right, y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. As you can see, I got the make sure y'all know how some of y'all are. They ain't even the same car. Let's do a little experimentation, right? Okay, so the insurance company, now y'all know I had to, we had to bend the truth a little bit, but they asked me did I remove the intake and verify if the housing was cracked. My thing is that even possible? Can you do that without taking it off? Like if I take it off to verify if it's cracked, I'm committed. What they gonna say? No, we don't cover seals, or there's the risk you take doing that. They could easily say, no, we don't cover the housing unless the housing cracked. So I don't know what they expect from me, right? So if I take it off and say it's not cracked, it's just the O-ring. Well, we don't cover O-rings. We only cover the house. Then it customer on the hook. So who am I protecting here? Actually, nobody. I'm on neither side. I'm neutral. I don't have a dog in this fight, so I'm neutral. But I'm just curious to see, can you tell if the damn thing cracked with it still being on the car? Likely you can't. So let me take it all the way off. But y'all see all that oil down there, all right? Alright, guys, let's see where are we at. Work this way out of here. Oh, look, it came up fairly easy. See what I mean, guys? I'm not sure you can tell. Let me get it all the way off. We're gonna see. Let me get it all unplugged. Take it all the way off. We're gonna lay it down. We're gonna analyze this situation, right? Because look, ooh, yeah, guys. Ooh, look. Let me show y'all. Let me get y'all up close. There might have been a small chance that it was. Look how they collapsed, guys. Y'all see that one right there? It's gone. Sometimes they stay on the car. Ooh. But I'm just not there yet. Again, look, ooh, I'm alright. I'm gonna set them side by side and we're gonna look at them, guys. Alright, let me get this all the way off. Alright, hold tight. Alright, guys. Now, here's the task at hand. We're trying to find out if there was actually any cracks in this, or just simply, I guess, I'm sorry, but yes, this O-ring, look at these. Now, granted, these are new, but I can almost guarantee you these have been revised. But still, the question remains, is anybody going to take a chance with just replacing O-rings or getting a new oil filter adapter housing with new O-rings on it? Let's dig one of these out and see. Hold tight. Let me dig one of these out of here. Alright, so I got one out, guys. I don't know. Now this one is the same color as this one, but these three right here look like they made of some orange rubbery substance that looks better. Like I say, it's hard to judge this one with this one simply because this one is new. But if I had to take a stab, I would think this could have been fixed with just O-rings. But again, who wants to gamble with that? Now, we haven't looked, so let's look. Y'all see any cracks? This is the oil cooler part. Okay. Now, I've seen cases where this rupture and oil will mix with coolant. Watch this video right here. But yeah, I'm not sure, man. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let's do this. Have anybody did an oil filter adapter housing with just the O-rings? I'm curious to hear from you guys. I haven't yet, and I really don't plan on it. I'm not saying I'm against it. It's just I gotta go through the same amount of trouble to get it out. Uh, you know, hey, might as well go in with a new one. But we talking money right here, right? Now I want you to look at something right here. This can y'all see this? This revision number here is AF. Y'all see that? This new one is revision. Come on, AG. So this is a higher revision. This one is better. Is it because the O-rings are better or the housing is better? I don't know. I'm not an engineer. No engineer over here. So tell you what I'm going to do is complete this job. So let me get this all put back together, guys, and we'll discuss it in the comment section. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Wow, look at all that. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.